Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will mix the 2025 color of the year Future Dusk. Future Dusk is a dark, moody, intriguing hue, sitting between blue and purple. It has a sense of mystery and escapism, and feeds into themes of transition. Disclaimer: Future Dusk is only color of the year 2025 prediction, it's not yet official. Okay, let's start. Our client order: 1 liter of Future Dusk, latex matte finish for interior wall accent. Let's now pour Acrylic color, phthalo blue. Followed by gloss latex white. Also at Acrylic color, Tuladine red. Let's also at Acrylic color permanent maroon.to achieve the purple shading. Stir the paint very well. It's look like a purple, let's add more, Acrylic color phthalo blue. Let's add more gloss latex white. Add more Acrylic color Tuladine red. Yes, it's Future Dusk already. Mixing accomplished. Please subscribe to my channel to be updated on more upcoming paint mixing tutorial videos. Thank you.